In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in MS Word in just 5 minutes. Whether you're applying for your first job or looking to refresh your professional image, crafting a clean and professional resume is crucial. Luckily, Microsoft Word is equipped with features and templates that make this process as seamless as possible. Let's dive into how you can take full advantage of these features and craft a resume that stands out. The journey to creating your resume begins with the simplest of actions: clicking the Start button on your computer. This is your gateway to accessing the myriad of applications your computer has to offer, including Microsoft Word. Once you've located the Windows Start menu, you're on the right track. Next comes finding Microsoft Word itself. To do this, type Word into the search bar that appears once you click on the Start menu. It's a straightforward step, but crucial. As the search results populate, look out for the Microsoft Word app. When you see it, click on it to open. For those who use Word frequently, this might feel like second nature. However, for beginners, locating the application might be the first hurdle to cross in your resume creation journey. Once Microsoft Word is open and running, we will navigate the initial interface to find the templates. Go to the Word home screen, where you'll see an option for more templates. Clicking here will open up a world of pre-designed options for various documents, including resumes. This step significantly streamlines the resume creation process, as it provides you with professionally designed layouts that only require your personal information. At this point, with the template menu open, direct your attention to the search box. Here you'll enter one magic word: resume. Hitting enter or clicking the search icon will unveil a variety of resume templates, from the classic and understated to the modern and visually striking. Each of these templates is designed to cater to different job industries and personal preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone. Now it's time to make a choice. Browse through the collection of resume templates available and select one that best reflects your professional identity or the job you're applying for. Consider your industry, the extent of your work experience, and what you want your resume to communicate at a glance. Remember, your resume is often your first impression to potential employers, so choose a template that speaks on your behalf. After selecting a template, it's time to personalize it. Customizing your template is a critical step, as this transforms a general layout into your unique professional resume. This process involves replacing the placeholder text with your own information, including your name, work experience, educational background, skills, and any other relevant details that make you the ideal candidate for your desired role. Be thorough and concise, ensuring that every word on your resume serves a purpose and contributes to presenting you as the best fit for the job. During customization, pay attention to maintaining a professional and clean format. Stick to professional fonts like Arial or Times New Roman, and ensure that your font size is easily readable, typically between 10 to 12 points. Where necessary, customize headings and sections to suit your specific career achievements and skills. Microsoft Word also allows for easy insertion of bullet points, which can be particularly useful for listing your accomplishments or job responsibilities in a clear, concise manner. To finalize your resume, consider reviewing it for any spelling or grammatical errors. Microsoft Word offers spell check and grammar suggestions, which can be incredibly helpful. Additionally, consider having a mentor or friend review your resume for clarity, impact, and any potential oversights you might have missed. Creating a professional-looking resume in Microsoft Word doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these straightforward steps, you can leverage the power and simplicity of Word's template feature, customize it to reflect your professional journey, and step into your next job application with confidence. Remember, your resume is a reflection of your professional persona. Take the time to ensure it's polished, professional, and above all, a true representation of your capabilities and achievements. Good luck on your job-seeking journey.